Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of the mini Pilates series. My name is Sanne and I'm gonna guide you through a full body sculpt and tone Pilates. You will not need any equipment, so let's get right into it. We're gonna start off onto the back of our mat, slide bent into those knees, and we're gonna reach those arms all the way up to the sky. On the exhale, slowly lower down that upper body. I want you to walk it out into a plank position, really squeeze those glutes together. Take a deep inhale, and then on the exhale, bring it up into a downward dog. Back into a plank position, squeeze all the way. Back into a downward dog. We're gonna just walk those heels out. Feel a nice hamstring stretch here. And just alternate from side to side. Just get in touch with your body here. 4, 2, and 1. Meet me back into a plank position. We're gonna bring that left knee in towards the chest, and then on the exhale, reaching that left leg all the way up to the ceiling. Bring that knee back to the chest. Reach it all the way up. Back into the chest. So really using that breath, inhale to prepare, exhale, reach back up. We're gonna step that left foot next to that left hand, and then reach that left arm all the way up to the sky. Opening up that chest, feel a nice little hip stretch here. Inhale, and step it back in, meet me into a plank position, and back into a downward dog. We're gonna do the same thing onto the other side, starting off in a plank position. Bring that right knee in towards the chest, exhale all the way up. Bring it in, reach it up. Core is working, that full body. Then step that right foot next to that right hand, and we're gonna reach that right arm all the way up, opening up that chest. Inhale, and exhale. Step it in, meet me into a plank position, lower down those knees. Quick little child's pose here. Reaching those arms long. Inhale, and on the exhale, meet me onto your all fours. I want you to engage that core, so really push that belly button towards the spine. We're gonna tuck those toes, and then meet me into a bear hover. We're gonna step it back with that right leg, step it back with the left. So that whole upper body stays nice and still. That deep core is working. We're just reaching that leg all the way back and in. 4, 2, and 1. Hold it here. The little hip dips with those knees, 1 inch up, 1 inch down. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Now bring that knee across towards that elbow. So this is just a really small, tiny movement. Breathe it through for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down those knees. Reach those arms nice and long. Give the wrists a little break here. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Slowly roll it up. Shake out that upper body. All right, meet me back into your all fours. We're gonna reach that right leg long. Bring it to the ground. Tuck that toe into a plank position, lifting that left leg up. Bring it in. Bring the right knee in. Extend it out, bring it down, lift the left knee up. So we have a nice little combo movement here. Working that core, that glute. Breathe it through. 4, 2, and 1. Hold it here, little pulses. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Quick little child's pose. Inhale through the nose, exhale out. And back to that all fours. Same thing onto the other side. So this time we're gonna extend that left leg long, tuck it down, lift the right leg up. Bring that left knee in, extend it long, tap it down, reach that right leg up. Right, on the next one, we're getting into those leg pulses. Onto the right side, maybe into that plank, pulse it out. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down, reach those arms long, take a deep inhale. And exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Slowly roll it down, shake out that upper body. Okay, we're getting into some ab work here. Giving the wrist a little break. Feet are about hip wide apart. We're gonna reach those arms long, palms are facing each other. We're gonna tuck that pelvis, slowly lower all the way down. Reach those arms back. Bring the arms up, head, neck, and shoulders. Nice little roll up here, preparing. Reach. And we have one more. Lower all the way down. Reach those arms up to the sky. Shoulder blades are into the mat. We're gonna bring that right leg into a tabletop. Bring that left leg into a tabletop. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, head, neck, and shoulders come off to the ground. Into our teaser, we're gonna start pumping those arms with a lot of strength and intention. Lower down those shoulders into our hundreds. If you want to take it advanced, you can always extend those legs into a high teaser. Otherwise, you stay right here, start pumping those arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly lower down and extend those legs long. Reach those arms overhead. Take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, head, neck, and shoulders come off to our ground into our teaser, bringing that left knee in. Lower all the way down, reach over to the other side. And reach it long. Really using that core to drive you through this motion. Four, 2, and 1. Lower all the way down. Bring those arms up. Again, drop those shoulders into the ground. Bring the right leg into tabletop. Bring the left leg into tabletop, into our dead bug. So we're gonna reach the opposite arm and opposite leg long. Press that back into the ground. Pull that belly button towards the spine. Four, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Okay, we're gonna place that right arm over the left arm and then cross that right leg over the left. We're gonna lower down the legs and arms at the same time, crunch it back in. I know they always look very easy, but they are an absolute amazing core crusher here. Bring it in, lower down. Slow and controlled. For 2 and 1. So to come back to the middle, legs are in tabletop, arms are up, head, neck, and shoulders come up to the ground. We're gonna extend both arms and legs long, reach those arms around. Extend it long, reach the arms around. Two more. For 2 and 1. Bring it in. Okay, we're coming over to the other side. So bringing that left arm around, cross it around, and then bring that left leg over that right leg. Same thing here. We're gonna drop it down, crunch it back in. Lower down, crunch it back in. Give me 5 more. Breathe it through. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. All right, we're coming over to our left side, bringing that right arm in front. That left hand comes across the body. We're coming into a side push-up, lower down, the leg lift up. Side push-up, lower down, leg lift up. Working that full body, feeling that tension. Great job. There you go, press it up. For 2 and 1. Lower down here, we're just gonna come into our leg lifts, pulse it out. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, press yourself back up. We're gonna go straight over to the other side. Onto that side, bringing that left arm in front, crossing that right arm forward. So this is a really amazing exercise if you want to modify on that push-up a little bit. Lower down, we're gonna bring that left leg up, bring it down. For 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, little pulses with that left leg, engage that core. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, final push here, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Great job. Come over to your back. I'm gonna bring those knees in. Give the knees a nice little big hug. So you're gonna place those feet onto the ground. Those arms come into a cactus, 90-degree angle. We're just gonna let those knees fall over to the right, look over to the left. Feeling that nice release into that back, into that lower spine. And drop over that knee to the left side, look over the right shoulder. And breathe it through. Come back to the middle. Roll yourself back up. We usually always end this with class. We're gonna reach those arms all the way up, fold them together, bring them through the middle. Right hand onto your heart, left hand onto your belly. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale. Exhale through the mouth. And you're all done for today. Thank you so much for joining. If you want to follow along on more of my Pilates classes and workout programs, you can find them on my app Soulsing Body, which I will link down below. And I will see you tomorrow for our final day of the 7-day mini series.